দণ্ডবোধ এটা কোনা আসিয়া আপনাদের সগাকে মোর হিয়া ভরা শুভাঞ্জা জানাং Before starting my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Speaker, all the respected dignitaries and esteemed guests, and my brothers and sisters of incredible India. I'll start. Sangachwadham samvadadhyam samvo manasi janatam. May you move in harmony, speak in one voice, and let your mind be in agreement. Today, I, Anaita Rakshit, student of BA LLB Honours of Indian Institute of Legal Studies, Kuch Bihar, representing West Bengal, rise before you all carrying the voice of unity in diversity, spirit of justice, and echo of history. In the very soul of Mahabharata, when Draupadi questioned the very guardian of dharma and the silence of the voice became the loudest injustice to her, no one but Baba Saheb has ensured that the India which he had envisioned, there no Draupadi would ever stand alone, and no question of dignity of women would ever be unanswered. Baba Saheb, after getting birth in the shadows of discrimination, where dignity was snatched, humanity was questioned, he didn't bow down. He rose from Bahiskrit Hitakarini Sabha to framing the laws for political and economic rights, from framing the backbone of the longest written constitution of the world to the advocating for the rights of women. He rose like a fire, he rose like a thunder, breaking all the silence. He taught us that a mere well of drinking water is not just a mere source of drinking water. It is a source and form of dignity. On this day, I would like to say that he didn't give us only a mere document. He gave us such a bundle of living promises, which reminds us Article 14, which talks about equality before law. He gave us Article 19(1)(a), which gives us freedom of speech and expression. He gave us Article 21, which gave us right to life and personal liberty. And he was not merely a believer of equality, he shaped the destiny. So on this day, let us take an oath. Let him remind him, let awake him in our conscience. Let him live in all the law we create. Let him live in all the injustice we challenge. And at the end of my speech, I would like to say, if we can do that, one day we will be able to make that Viksit Bharat, such a Bharat, where Rabindranath Tagore has said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.